What's up, everybody? What's good, YouTube? This is gonna be my review of the Leatherman Micra. Alright, let's see. The only thing I've used on this has been the scissors. Oh yeah. Welcome to If All You Had Was a Multitool series. So yeah, this little damn thing is neat, man. It's got all these other little gadgets on it. It's got some tweezers on it. And, you know, a screwdriver. Could also use it, I don't know, for scratching off things or something. It's got this little weird, I don't even know. Let's see, because it comes with directions. The hell is that little pointy thing? Let's see. Hold on a second while the dumbass reviewer checks this out. Alright. So that's a mini flathead screwdriver. Bottle opener. Right there. Tweezers. That's always a good, handy thing, man. Scissors. Awesome. Got a nail file and nail cleaner. Another flathead screwdriver. And a little blade. I'll mainly be using this probably for fishing. Switch them in and out with my PKS. What the hell is it called? I don't have it on me. Hook's always on my keychain. It's the other one that has scissors on it. Alright, let's use this thing. First, let's see if we can get it close up. I got the green one. They have other ones. It's got some writing on it. 4 Phillips. Tweezers. Leatherman. Sweet. Even got some measurements on this thing. Is it showing up? See it? Nice. Here's the directions. It's pretty. Oh shit. It's pretty thick. Nice. Scissors work nice. I'll just be using them for other things instead of paper. Chomp. See if I can be a paper ninja. Nope. 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 If all you had was a multi-tool. Man, is it hard to look in the camera? and cut. Say it's pretty sharp. Oh, small. Some mini stuff. Try to make a little notch. Ah. With this skill, you could use any knife, Danielson. Set in there. Ah. I say that worked pretty damn good for a little blade. That's crazy. Check that out. Oh snap! Bushcraft. See if we can get some little shavings. It's definitely a little strange to use. Trying to get thin ones is a little difficult. I ain't gonna lie. Man, I hope this ain't the only multi-tool I got on me. This would suck. But if I did, let's see if it works. Now I'm gonna do this for a while so I can get a fire going. But I'll be back. How about we just hope that you got some fat wood on you? You know what I mean? Nice. You know what? Nice. Let's break this up. Little twigs. Be very careful. You don't want to injure yourself. That's a possibility with any blade. Whoop. That protected me, that side right there. And like I said, gotta be careful. Alright. Some little bit of shavings. Always carry fire starter on you. Make sure this is not the only tool you got. Oh shoot. Now this has a striker on it, but Obviously, you would use a striker instead of the multi-tool, but that's the whole point of this. As if you didn't have a striker, but you should have a striker. Let's see. Little striker, little multi-tool. Whoa. Let's try another tool. What's this? Let's try the nail file. Eh. There we go. We can do this. We can do this. Oh yeah. Nice. Sweet, guys. All you had was a multi-tool. I'd say that's a pass, huh? Awesome. Much respect, much appreciation. Knowledge is power, practice is progress. Thank you for wasting your time to come see your homie. Reaper Militia Sidetracked Outdoors and Gearaholic. Peace out, everybody. Have a great flippin' day.